We're just basically preparing for some of the volume that we think might be presenting to our emergency departments, just trying to figure out different and creative ways that we can take care of patients, but not necessarily bring them inside, try to help minimize exposure, but also help care for lots more patients than what we're used to caring for in the past.
And essentially, we are an emergency room and urgent care outside. So we can do a full office visit in the comfort and safety of the patient's car, and then we can assess them to see if they are candidates for testing for COVID-19.
So what you see behind me is our 310 system. It's something that was initially set up at Rochester General on the Wilson Health Center campus. 310 system, basically patient gets a registration, gets some initial evaluation and treatment, and then a third tent for further intensive treatment if necessary.
I cannot tell you how proud I am of this team. This is not a team. Might sound cheesy, we're a family. Everyone looks out for each other. We all force each other to take breaks. We've had this outpouring from the community in terms of food and support and different things that we're able to eat when we're here, which is great because we're not able to. We're out here running all the time. The team is incredibly strong, and we're making sure we stay strong because we have a long road ahead.